urgent message from the CDC when it comes to travel in Florida. It's because there's an increase in leprosy, a disease we don't often think about. There are a couple reported cases locally, and there are more in Central Florida. In fact, the CDC says Central Florida accounts for 81% of all the cases in the state.
News for Jax reporter Janice Harris joining us live from HCA Florida Memorial Hospital in Jacksonville. Janice, you spoke with a doctor there who describes the symptoms to look for.
Yes, it is a rare type of disease that people can contract, but in fact you still can. It's called Hansen's disease, more popularly known as leprosy, and it's something that is having an impact here in Florida.
Leprosy. It's a word most people haven't heard unless they've read a religious book such as the Bible. For instance, Jesus healed a man with leprosy. But it's also a modern disease, and according to the CDC report, it's prevalent in Central Florida. Dr. Jimmy Dorado with Memorial Hospital explains.
The leprosy is an infection caused by a bacteria that primarily affects the skin and the peripheral nerves of individuals.
It shows up in the form of skin lesions like this, and you can lose feeling in the same area. According to Florida's disease surveillance, there have been local cases of leprosy this year. One confirmed, each case in Bradford, Flagler, and Volusia counties. And there have been more cases in Central Florida. Dr. Dorado says if someone is infected, it could be transmitted through coughing near a non-infected person. However, there is also an animal that could lead to infection.
Having said that, there's also been historical and recent understanding that animals such as armadillos also carry this.
The good news is that there is a cure, but if you contract this disease, it could last weeks, months, or years.
And one of the biggest factors in contracting leprosy is if you've been in constant, consistent, long-term contact with someone that is carrying the disease. But do keep in mind, you cannot get it from shaking hands or hugging a person or even being around them for a short period of time. Reporting live from Memorial Hospital, Janice Harris, Channel 4, the local station.
So, Janice, is there a certain target group who might be most at risk for leprosy?
There are a couple of groups specifically, those that are very young, like infants, or those that are very old, or if a person has a immunity that has been compromised. Those are some of the people that definitely could be more at risk. But also, there is a key here that Dr. Dorado said, avoid armadillos as well. Joy?
All right, Janice Harris reporting live for us. Janice, thank you.